Hey guys, just doing a video review of the Ducky Shine 3. I just got this yesterday. I got the Magenta LEDs with Cherry MX Browns. So right now I just have the dark mode going on. I just have purplish snake here. We'll show you the different modes. So here's everything lit up. Here it's pulsating. Very sexy, huh? Here's a snake mode, since their official logo is the snake for the year of the snake. I think this is made in China. So I installed the firmware, so you guys should go ahead and do that because it actually has extra modes. Here's the back's dark mode, but yeah, here it was. I'm just gonna adjust the lighting. And I don't know if it's obvious, but I was intending to get a shade more like this, like a more purple, and but it's more on the pink side. This is magenta. I know the actual purple LEDs are more on the pink side than purple side. So that definitely disappointed me, but I'm still really happy with this. It's a very pretty keyboard. And if you do function F11, you can control what lights up. You see the WASD right there, or the arrow keys right here. You see that. So I hope that helped you guys out. Very happy with my keyboard. Definitely recommend the Ducky Shine 3, but the Ducky Shine 4 is out, and it's been sold out already, I think, but definitely gonna take a look at that since I'm addicted to mechanical keyboards now.